Hi guys, I am Renz and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to adjust the settings, or what are the functionalities, the buttons you need to click or to press when you try to change the settings of your car stereo. So it's a KENWOOD stereo we have here. I'm gonna show you the exact model on the description below. And of course, I'm going to include that on the title of the video. Alright. So, well, if you have a different model, you may try watching this, because, especially if you have a KENWOOD stereo, because most of the time they have, the same functionality. Okay. Maybe there are some, features that were added to the latest model of the stereo, but I think it's mostly it's all the same. Alright, so let's start. This is how my stereo looks like. Okay, so what happened is this is the volume, to adjust, increase the volume, lower it down. The power button. You can also press this one to select which menu you're going to choose, and the USB port. By the way, the menu, if you're going to use the FM station, you're going to play using your flash drive or USB mode, you're going to play using your Bluetooth device, so things like that. This is the button that you need to press, so I'm going to show you there. Okay, USB, there's Spotify, there's Bluetooth audio, we also have aux mode. So aux mode is here, I believe. I haven't tried that one yet, but I think that's it. So we have the standby mode. Okay, so today is April 16, 2020, and it's 8:28 a.m. So that's the Philippine time. So all right. So here's this volume button. This will be our menu key as well. So to see all the options, all I have to do is press it, and there you can see the functions. To go to the next function, as you can see, audio control function. So you can just scroll to or turn it going right or left to select. So you have the next is display function, the tuner setting, Bluetooth mode function, remote app, system function, and the clock. So we also have English function. I believe this is how you select the language. So there, I don't know what is that. Anyways, so that's how you go to the next option. Alright, so if you were going to select, let's say for example, you're going to tuner settings, yeah, or let's say clock, you wanted to adjust the clock, the time and the date, just hit center there. So when you hit center, you will get inside to that menu, and you will have more options. So clock adjust, date format, date set, clock format. So there, time sync, clock display. So you can, if you wanted to do the clock display and change something on it, just hit the center button again, and there. So you'll have the option to turn it off and on. So right now it's off, so you can put it on, and you can go back to the main screen, which is a standby. Okay, now if you wanted to, you can also change the colors here. So you have to just click the center again, go to function, display function, color select, hit the center again, and all zone LCD display. So you can select either everything will be in blue, pink, let's say for example all zone. So as you can see, it's all light blue. We can change it to aqua 1, 2. There you go. See, as you can see, the color changes as I turn the volume key going to the right. Green 3, yellow, green. Yeah, so those are the options that you have. If you wanna go back, you can go ahead and check on LCD display. So you can just change the LCD display color. Let's say maybe red. Okay, there you go. So we have changed it to red. My wife did that blue thing color, so I'm gonna change it back later on. So that's it. It's just simple. Those are the important keys I need to know on how to select. So this is the menu key. You can, to choose options, you can turn left or right using this volume key, and then to select, press this again, the center key, or the volume button. If you want to go back, just press this back button here. And that's it for today. There you go, guys. So that's it for today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Well, with the situation right now, COVID-19, I want to say stay safe, everyone. We'll see you soon. All right. Thank you.